In this pixel art assignment, you're going to take these colored cells and paint them into the blank cells to create some pixel art. So for example, you're going to finish making Mario. There is a link here that when you click on this box, you click on the link to see examples. But to get started, you need to click on one of the colored cells. On your keyboard, you need to press Control-C on the keyboard in order to copy the color, and you'll see it have a dashed line around the color once it is copied. Then you'll click on a blank cell and you need to paste. You'll press Control-V. So Control-V will put the color in that cell, and then you'll use either your mouse to click to the other cell or your arrow keys on your keyboard and continue pressing Control-V to paint in the blocks. And so if you wanted to grab another color, you would copy it. That's Control-C, and you can paint the cells just like you see me doing here. So I'm pressing Control-C, using the arrow keys to paint the cells by pressing Control-V. You're going to have a few sheets. So in this sheet, you're going to finish making Mario. You have to click on the E here to open the examples. Here's an example of Mario. Let me open that in a new image window. So there's the example, so you can count the number of blocks Mario needs to have in order to finish him. So you'll click on color, Control-C, and then paint where you need to paint. Oops. Control-V is paste, Control-C is copy. That's your assignment. Come to the Google Classroom today to make sure that you complete the assignment and work through the lesson with me live in the Google Meet, or come back to this video lesson to reference how to copy and paste the cells. Another thing you can do is to just click on a blank cell, go to this paint bucket, the fill color, and then you can color it in whatever color you want. And then you can copy and paste those colors into the blank squares. So that's pixel art.